This is a sharrow. You see sharrows on some of Midland streets. They're part of an effort to make Midland a more bicycle-friendly community. A lane that contains a sharrow is what's called a shared use lane. That means when a bicycle is present, the bicyclist is allowed full use of the lane. A car driver must yield to bicycles in that lane. When no bicycles are present, cars may use the lane as a normal traffic lane. There are two ways for a cyclist to make a left turn when using a shared use lane. The cyclist can check for traffic, signal with an extended left arm, wait for traffic to clear, and then move to the left to make the turn. Or if traffic is heavy, the cyclist can use crosswalks to get across the street. The first two shared use lanes in Midland are on Ashman and Rod Streets between the Circle and downtown. Sharrows will be added to more streets in the future. So, follow the straight and narrow and pay attention to sharrows. For more information on bicycling and non-motorized transportation in Midland, search for the Planning Department on the city's website.